Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Today we're going to be taking a look at our 15-foot Boston Whaler Montauk center console. We'll go over a few of the options and take a look at the boat. We did bring this boat in with a swing away tongue on the trailer so it fits in your garage. We've optioned it with a Bimini top. This boat does have the fishing package, which has the rod holders, the cup holders, the live well, storage for a bucket and more rods. Does have the fuel tank under the flip seat. This boat does have the boarding ladder. Has a 60-horse Mercury 4-stroke on it, full rails. There's your flip seat. We've brought this boat in pre-rigged with the Marine GPS VHF fish finder. There is a core that goes in front. We have a console cover for the boat. This boat has a split bow rail for easy boarding through the front. Rod holders in front of the console. Once again, this is our 2019 15-foot Boston Whaler Montauk at MarineMax Island Marine, Ocean View, New Jersey. Thank you.